car's cool down a little bit. Right, time to start working on it. We got to pull the diff out of this using that hoist, and so it's gonna go get welded. And there's a gearbox, a boat gearbox somewhere in here for the boat over there, which we also have to put on today. So we got a bit of a busy night.
I got alcohol, so we'll be pumped.
So let's go.
I'm so really with you. Heard a lot of shots before I got to take mine. You gon' blow it or get rich. Up another level, I've been pawned, I've been sipping. Toting on this metal, cause I know a couple victims. Money made it better, but I swear I'm gonna change. I'ma always be the same, I'm just knowing what I'm risking. Ask where I've been at, I've been trying to catch time. Till I need a break to chill. Long as I can pay the bills, and I'm feeding mine. Long as I don't break or spill. Niggas acting fake for real, ain't always all good. Still a lot to make, we got family in the hood. Dealing with the state, pay the lawyer, doing this for none. My mama only son, I'm just giving my pain.
We have got the car on the hoist. Had a bit of a squeeze at some things. Hey, Jesse, what are we doing here?
We're pulling the diff out. We're starting with the exhaust at the moment so we can get this out of the way.
We're gonna start it without the exhaust.
We're starting with the exhaust.
I've been giving my pain. I've been giving my mind. I've been trying to maintain. I've been trying to get mine.
Is it really a skull?
Niggas thinking I changed.
Alright, we finally found out a way to untighten these bolts on the tail shaft here. We'll show you the technique that we had to use to get it.
We got two parts of the jack handle with our spanners
for
inside.
leverage. We got a closed, what do you call this?
That's a closed end.
We got a closed end
12
full.
sided. We couldn't
Size
find a
14.
6-sided one, so we had to go for 12.
And then an open ender, and Lou here will film for us how we do this. Yep.
When you're ready.
That's it.
Alright.
And it's fucking good. Muscle man. Yeah.
I can only do a quarter turn at a time. Can you get it's too hard still.
It's hard.
Yeah.
What size is it, Jesse?
We've just taken off all the bolts on the drive shafts, and now we're starting on the CVs. What are you doing here, Aaron?
Yeah, I've taken off the bolts from the CV. I think there's 4 bolts in total to come out of the diff.
5, isn't it?
I think it's 4.
I think there's 5.
I think it's 5, eh?
We're all dyslexic anyway, so it don't really matter. We could have done 3 and it'll still be 5 in our head.
Don't do us an harassment of action.
Alright, we've got the CVs out. They were pretty simple, just another 14 inch. We're going to do the diff oil. Lefty loosey, Jesse's got it. We'll see how good he is without some non-spilling, eh?
Put it this way, you got man for the job.
She's got it alright?
Not bad, yeah.
Look at that.
It's alright, it's alright.
Let's see if they're shaving.
No, it's pretty clean. It's good. Cordial. Don't drink it. Odds on?
No. We're now taking out a sensor out of the diff. We've just unplugged this earth that was plugged in up there. If you can see that there. That's the cable there we've unplugged.
Now we gotta undo these 2 here from these bushings, and then probably the 2 at the back out of those bushings, and then we have to drop the dog on the ground in the in there.
And then it'll be out in time for welding.
Rain on both sides, I ain't showing no shame, I've been holding shit down,
Like when I get the truth to my face, I'ma face it. Truthfully, I'm losing patience. With myself, I've been selfish with time just wasting. If you ain't see it, I won't say shit.
Yeah, bring that
Wait,
dog.
before you drop it,
Where's it going?
do the happy dance.
Basic. Ain't shit.
Where
Got
is
me
it going?
losing motivation. Roll around with no destination. Chasing, trying to catch.
Let's go.
Alright, sick. Yeah, Jesse, that's all in there, right? Also, I think we have to do that SIM card.
Alright, diff's out. We're back tomorrow after it's welded to put it back in.
We've got the diff back. It is all welded up. Jesse is currently putting some diff oil in it now. There's the diff here. We'll show you the rotation it spins after.
Be careful.
Cordial?
Oh, I wouldn't want to drink it.
Why not?
Ooh.
We have just blocked off this so it doesn't leak out. A little feed plug.
What's the bet? We're gonna get comments saying you should have filled this in just up when it was in. Alright, we're learning.
My hands are burning.
This is about oh shit level torque.
That should be fine. That's it.
Like that.
4 hands to put this in. 5 now. Oh, he's getting serious. Look at the serious face on this bloke. Man on tools is what I'm talking about. Man with sweat patches is what I'm talking about. Bundy shirt, what I'm talking about. It has to make a good clicking noise when it's tight.
If it doesn't go, it's not tight enough. What torque is that?
I'm better like a no shit level of torque.
Get so effective.
I need one of them swivel bits, eh?
No way.
On that somehow.
Other.
Not to fucking one way.
No, sometimes they're not.
You what should be up?
Yeah, it's rounded on this side.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. That's exactly what he was just doing. Quite shazzy up.
And we put the earth on. Alright, that's one part done. Alright, that line is on.
Oil line on top of the diff.
Yeah. Now it's time to put
CVs on.
Hey look, someone's hair. Must have ran over a small child.
Just bolting this sensor back in as well Jesse is tightening the CV bolts and nuts.
Alright, tail shaft time. Let's pop this on. Line it up. Then bolt and going in a million times easier than it came out. Whether that's because it was late at night and we were tired and possibly drinking, or it just goes in easier, but we're winning at the moment. So. We've just started throwing the exhaust we put it on the hanger there, and just putting in the gasket and the 4 bolts around here, and then have the exhaust on and the diff's done. Take it for a spin, see what happens, eh? Alright, we've completed it. She's all back in, degreased and clean, sort of. And now, look at that. Welded diff. Full speakers in this car, they go that hard.
Both the cars are finished on the road again. We're now going to drive home, call it a weekend. See you guys later.
Give you that look that's perfectly unsaid. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me